Probably not the greatest idea, but we'll see. All right, don't touch that, buddy. That's tractor stuck. So this is going to become a little bit more drama. All the cameras
And I know why the four-wheel drive isn't working. Popped the tire. I don't know. Was filled up at 26 psi. Who knows what's at the bottom of that? You may end up having to tow my dumb butt all the way up the hill.
You think you'll make it up the hill like that?
Well, I'm not able to move right now. I just tried moving back here. I just tried moving backwards and it was like no bueno. I'm just gonna try backing up a bit. You know, it's this is stupid. I can push myself with the plow. This is dumb. Can I go forward? There's a pin on the back of the tractor, or the payloader. All right, YouTube, we're gonna get this contraption up the hill. It's gonna be a pain in the hassle. But hey, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more randomness, by all means, subscribe.
What do you hook on your tractor?
We can either hook up to the back and the back of the payloader to the back of the tractor and pull me, or we can.
Can I hook it around this front contraption here?
You know, I weld the out of this. It should be strong enough here.
Okay.
bucket, and then after you shut it off, curl down, you know, rock the controls to take the pressure off.
Not far enough ahead?
Yeah, that's fine. And then you pull the off button, the red knob to the left, that one right there. Now you flip the main switch so it's flat. Okay. Yep, cycle those a little bit. It'll kind of, yeah. The seals are still good on it. I want to keep it that way. You know what I mean?
The brakes.
Yeah, put the brake. Definitely put the parking brake on. Pull that up.
You shut the doors?
No, because otherwise rodents think it's a great place to set up shop.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And since there's no seat to really protect.
It's a beast, man. That's the first time I've ever driven it. Does that have a heater in there too?
Yes, but it's not on right now. There's more to be fixed, you know what I mean? So then...